ओम धम धन्वंतरे नमः। कर्पूरगौरम करुणावतारम संसारसारम जगेन्द्रहारम सदा वसंतं हृदयारविंदे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि। Let me share. Today's topic is concept of Ojus in Ayurveda. So Ojus is considered as the cream part of all dhatus. Ojus tejo dhatunam shukrantanam paraspratam is correlated with the immunity and the Sharira Bala or and Prakrita Shleshma. So various names are given. Asadinam Shukrantanam Dhatunam Yatparam Tejaha Tatkalu Ojas Tadeva Balam Iti, according to Shri. It is supreme essence of all Saptadhatu from Rasa to Shukra is known as Ojas. It means vigor or essential energy of the immune system. Ojas is responsible for strength, vitality, and immunity against the diseases. There are two types of Ojas, Para and Apara. According to Chakrapani, Acharya Chakrapani, Para and Apara are the types of Ojas. This is a cell which will destroy the foreign organisms like microorganisms or pathogens. So there are various cells, macrophages, these lymphocytes, polymorphs, and in the tissue macrophages, plasma cells are there. So there are different types of cells which are responsible for the immunity. Actually, the lymphocytes which produce immunoglobulins and they take part in the function of immunity. Paravojas. Paravojas is the prime one which is located at Hridaya. It is the purest form. It is Astabindu, that is 2.5 ml in Pramana. Chakrabani states that Paravojas is Alpa Pramana. Paravojas is responsible for life and death. Therefore, the diminution of its volume will give rise to grave disease and instantaneous death of that person. There is no change in the form of it. Therefore, the protection of Paravojas is having prime importance. Second one is Aparavojas. Aparavojas, which is supportive and located in heart and 10 blood vessels. It is half Anjali, that is 96 ml in measurement. One scientist has correlated with the amino acids. So essential and non-essential amino acids. That is, non-essential amino acids can be formed from the essential amino acids in the body. Mudurrasa drugs is related with D-linked amino acid is sweet. L-linked amino acid is bitter or bitter. For example, 4D-tryptophan is the sweetest amino acid. It is 34 times sweet from the sucrose. Quality of amino acids, quality of amino acids, quality of Ojas discussed in the moment. And physiologically, Stiropachita, Mamsata, Sarvava Chestastu, Parativa. etc. Functions are being told. So there are two types of pathology, three types of pathological conditions: Ojo Samsa, Ojo Vyapar, and Ojo Kshaya. This Ojas is similar to quality of Shleshma, so called Shleshmika Ojas. Upper Ojas influences functioning of tissue. It is of different form, such as Ushma, Prakrita Shleshma, Rasa, Jivashunita, and Natuna stages. First is Ushma. Lateragni or digestive fire is the main principal substance responsible for disease and health. During its normalcy, it is responsible for longevity, complexion, strength, health, enthusiasm, well-being, lust, ojas, temperature, other fires like Bhutagri and Dhatu, and other vital functions. Functions we can see in the gastric juice is the digestive fluid formed within the stomach lining. There are two types of cells in the lining, apart from the mucous cells, Chief cells and oxyntic cells in the stomach. Chief cells secrete uh, friction. With the pH between 1 and 3, these gastric acid plays a key role in digestion of proteins by activating digestive enzymes, which together break down long chains of amino acids of proteins. Conditions like hypochlorhydria and achlorhydria, that is deficiency or absence of hydrochloric acid in the stomach. Some secretions are made up of hydrochloric acid, several enzymes, and mucus coating that protects the lining of the stomach. This potentially leading to problems as the disinfectant properties of the gastric lumen are decreased. In such condition, there is a greater risk of infections in the digestive tract, such as Shleshmani Prakta Prakrtantubalam Shleshma Kuto Malavachate Sachaivojaha Smutahakae. According to reference. Prakrita Shleshma is Bala or strength, and it is in turn is Ojas. Normal Shleshma shows the qualities of unctuousness, softness, coldness, mobility, liminess, and sweetness. Same functions we can see in mucosal barriers. They separate the external environment from the body's internal milieu. These selectively permeable barriers prohibit passage of bacteria and toxins by permitting flux of water, ions, solutes, including nutrients. Third one is rasa. Rasa, the food which digests completely with the help of digestive fire, forming the essence of entire process of digestion and metabolism, and is capable of traversing the minute pores of the body, provides a sense of satisfaction, nourishment. Blood plasma is a yellowish liquid component of blood that holds the blood cells of whole blood in suspension. It is the liquid part of the blood that carries cells and proteins throughout the body. It is mostly water, up to 95% water, and contains important dissolved proteins, 6 to 8%. For example, serum albumin, globulins, and fibrinogens, glucose, clotting factors, electrolytes, hormones, carbon dioxide, and oxygen. Plays a vital role in intravascular osmotic effect that keep electrolyte concentration balanced and protects the body from infection and other blood disorders. Fourth one is Jivashonita, which is associated with Jivashonita. Jivashonita having the function of nourishment and sustenance of the body. Its diminution and excess is because of Shonita. It also keeps the individual alive. This you can see in blood formed elements with the clotting factors. Formed elements are erythrocytes, leukocytes, and the thrombocytes with the following functions respectively, like phagocytosis, oxygen supply, functions in oxygen transport, white blood cells function in immunity, and the platelets function in blood clotting. Other clotting factors are fibrinogen, prothrombin, factor 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12, as well as the protein C and S, and antithrombin, whereas liver sinusoidal endothelial cells produce factor 8 and non-Hilbrand factor 2. The fifth one is Dhatunam TSC, coupled with Dhatunam TSC. Nutrition. The essence of all Dhatu, from Rasa to Shukra, which is nothing but the Ojas, provide strength. Food is responsible for brain health, complexion, and hence the Ojas. In classics, it is explained under Nitya Sevaniya Dravya that Shatyashali, Madhu, and the carbohydrate source, Mudga, green gram, Yava, is barley, as protein, Indalavana, Amalaka, for minerals, and salts, sulfur, and fat. Avoiding excessive fasting and as above mentioned kinds of food helps to increase the wages. So milk is that mudga, Vestigashami, they're all given. While Jivanya showed that Vriddhi, Jivaka, Shabaka, Kakoli, Shiraka, Pali, Nedan, Mahameda. Some of them are not available in front of us. So we take Chatavari, Darikanda, Varahikanda, and Ashwagandha as substitutes for Jivani workers. Nutrition is a science that interprets the nutrients and other substances in food in relation to maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of an organism. It includes digestion, ingestion, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, metabolism, and excretion. Nutrients are compounds in food essential to life and help providing us with energy, the building blocks of repair, growth of substance necessary to regulate chemical process. There are six major nutrients: carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. Etiological factors for abnormalities of Ojus. Various factors which are responsible for the diseases of Ojus have been mentioned in the classics. You can categorize Sahaja, Kalaja, and Yakutta Bala. First one is Sahajaka. Hereditary strength is present in the body and mind since birth or naturally. Constitutional immunity is genetically determined ability to well-being during the. Next is Kalajaka. Seasonal or periodic etiology depends on season. See, in Adana Kala, the strength will be less. In Visaragala, in Visaragala, the strength of the body will be strong, will be more. In Adana Kala, where the strength is less, as sun is in Uttarayana, by its nature, too hot and the Vata dosha also get aggravated by its nature, leads to the disease decrease in strength. Also, we can consider the age factor, where children, due to the immature organs and systems of the body, delicate body and mind, limited tolerance to the physical and psychological stress. Also, in old age groups, there is depletion of tissues, reduced tolerative power, so that strength is get reduced. Third is Yuktikrita Karana. There are certain factors which affect the mind and body during their lifetime, that is, acquired during their lifetime. Acquired reasons are both mental and physical trauma or injury to vital parts. Excessive physical exercise, fasting for a long period, constant worry, drinking strong wines, excessive indulgence in sex, fear leads to the aggravation of vata, hence there is depletion of fish. Then let us discuss the Ojo Vikritis. There are three: Ojo Istamsa, Ojo Vyapa, and Yakshaya. First is Ojo Istamsa. The displacement from its own position, that is here, the Ojas is dispersed by vitiated vata from its own site, heart. This first Ojus results in altered physiology, but never results in death all of a sudden. First stage of Ojo dosha, where the dosha samsana is the basic event in this stage, which results in hindrance to normal functioning or mind obstruction in organs or body channels. Next, abnormal there will be altered result of metabolic abnormalities. There will be metabolic abnormalities leading to Ojo Samsa, Ojo Vakpatra, and Kshaya. Here, the important functioning is reversible for clinical manifestation. Visramsa, in terms of Kriya Kala, explains the stage of accumulation, Sanchaya, to stage of manifestation, Yakta, of Kriya Kala. Here, the stage of accumulation, stage of aggravation, and stage of spread, that is, flow of those from stage of localization, stage of manifestation, that occurs the obstruction of the functioning and manifestation of disease. Second one is Ujavapa. Second degree of dosha, Uja dosha, where the symptoms mentioned in Dapanna are just continuation of Vistamsa itself and exhibits clinical manifestation in a different manner. It is Upatava. Ojo Vapatava is the result of interaction of a particular dosha and particular dhatu, vertice. Dapanna in terms of Kriyakala can be the complications. Symptoms manifested in it is just continuation of systems. Vyapati is the continuation of systems. Symptoms of Vyapata are stiffness and feeling of heaviness in the body, swelling, change in complexion or discoloration, exhaustion, drowsiness or stupor, and sleeplessness. Viveti Durgulovishtam Bhaveshamasya Tachaye. Ojakshiyeta Kopakshut Jana Shroka Samadhibihi. Ojo Kshaya follows Ojo Vapa, which all the symptoms of Ojo Visansa and Ojo Vapa will be there. Ojo Kshaya denotes reduction in its normal scale of Ojas. Must be Paravojas as the diminution only is responsible for death. Diminution of in Ojas indicates Pratyabkhya. Symptomatology are painting, decrease in muscle bulk, delirium, death, mental disturbance, especially in judgment, physical and mental debility, fear, dryness or roughness, and emaciation of the body. These are all symptoms of projection. Now let us discuss Ojos Chikitsa. Asana Chikitsa is a unique branch of the Ayurveda for attaining the excellent Asana Dhatu, as Ojos is the essence of all surrounding tissues. For the Ojo dosha, it could be the proper treatment so that one should give up all the unwholesome diet and regimens to enjoy the full span of life. Main conclusion. Ojo is one's life energy. When it is normal and adequate, implies the immunity and in its diminutive condition results in weakness, fatigue, and ultimately disease. Sole intent of description of Ojo dosha is to explain the prognosis. The relation of Ojo dosha and Kriyakala is very particular in the Samhita. It is the Ojo Visramsa denotes stage of accumulation, the stage of manifestation of the disease. Ojo Vyapar denotes the stage of complications. So today we have discussed the Ojas, Ojo Karana, Ojo dosha Karanas, Ojo dosha types, and treatment of Ojas. So Ojas the immunity of the thank you for